So I placed a towel in the front fender, and you should only need your trusty Phillips screwdriver for this. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your trusty Phillips screwdriver and remove this screw right here on the bottom of the headlight bezel. So let's take that out. Next, you want to gently grab this bezel here and slightly turn it counterclockwise to release it, and then pull it off. Like so. Next, you have 3 more Phillips screws. One here, here, and over here. Remove those. Make sure you hold the light as you remove them, because that's all that holds it in, so that will fall. Take care not to lose those. Those are a little shorter than the first one you pulled out, so you'll notice the difference. Remove the ring, set it aside, keep hold of that light. Pull the light out. To release the plug, you pull down on this little tab here and then pull the wires out. It looks like that. And then you can take a small pair of needle nose and squeeze that together. That is the tab that holds it in place inside on that bracket in there. So you squeeze it together, pop it out, and there's your wires. This is the new headlight. It's LED. It's glass. Not sure how much it costs or where it came from. A buddy of mine gave it to me. Shout out to Bub. Be looking out. So it's just got 3 wires coming off the back with your metal adapter. Your metal 3-prong plug. You're going to need an adapter because Harley does not have that. Here's the 3-prong adapter. It's got a 4th wire that's for other applications. We won't be using that. And it's just a pigtail with the 3-prong adapter on one side and then the 4-pin plug that fits onto the harness in the bike. Comes equipped with a little push clip to hold it in place, so I didn't have to switch that over. So you just want to plug it in to your factory harness and then push this little gray pin back up into the bracket to hold it still. So I'm going to do that next. This here is where it's clipped back into the factory holder. And I just got the dongle hanging down here that I'll plug the light into, and then tuck the wires back in this area. There's a notch on the bottom of this headlight right there. It lines up with the bracket right there. so it can only go in one way. Well, it's got 3 notches, one there, there, and over there. Line up with the notches on the bracket with a top. So this will be your low beam and then high beam down there. Now it's hard to do this and hold the camera, but now you want to put on your metal ring and the 3 shorter screws. Hold that in. You want to tighten these 3 screws all the way. They are not your adjustment screws. They literally just hold this bezel in that hold the light. The bracket itself has adjustable with Allen heads here to adjust your beam up there and on the side. I won't be doing that today because you really need a laser to do it, or you can kind of guess, but I'd rather get it laser straightened so it can laser focused. This is probably not the brightest headlight on the market. The name brand is Truck Light, L-I-T-E, T-R-U-C-K-L-I-T-E. It's probably not the brightest headlight on the market. I know there are brighter ones. I had a really bright one on my V-Rod. But what I wanted here is I have white LEDs here that does the halo, and I wanted it to match. So this is a white LED with white halos, and these are switchback. They do the orange amber in the center with the blinker, and then they switch back to the white halo when they ride it. Next, line this bad boy up. Make sure your rubber gasket is in place. That's going to keep any moisture out. There's your rubber gasket. And you want this hook here to catch in this metal bracket up here. So you're going to put it off slightly turned to the left and then clockwise to lock it in. Now replace the screw on the bottom. He's in there. Not going to get much in the daylight. I'll try to get a few shots at night. High beam, low beam, there she goes. Thank you for checking out my video. Hope this helps someone along the way. And hope you have a great day. Please give my video a like if you liked it. And feel free to subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks and have a great day.